may seem a perfect match, but look a little closer, you'll find that there's a catch. When one thing just stands out and three things look the same, we have to point it out and call it by its name. What's different? What's different? I found it!
What's different?
We're going to look at 4 pictures. 3 will be the same, but 1 will be different. Let's look. It's a fire engine with a tall ladder. A fire engine with a tall ladder. What's next? Another fire engine with a tall ladder. That's a fire engine with a tall ladder too. 1 more. Let's see it. That's a fire engine too. Is it with a tall ladder? We have 4 fire engines, but they are not all the same. Can you spot what's different? Is this fire engine different? No. This one's with a tall ladder, like most of the others. How about this one? This one is with a tall ladder too. This one matches the other fire engines with a tall ladder. So what's different? This one is different. This one is with no ladder. These are fire engines with a tall ladder. The fire engine with no ladder is different. Good eye. You can spot what's different. Bye-bye.